My name is Michael and I run a company called Rainmakers. I've been through my fair share of trainings, coaching programs and masterminds over the years. Some cost me hundreds of dollars, some cost me thousands, some even cost me tens of thousands. The biggest impact on my business, the biggest value for money was working with Jason Stapleton. It was like, here is what's broken, this is what needs to be fixed right now, here is the plan, you go and execute. Simple, straightforward, to the point, and it works.
My name is Lauren Newton. I am so excited to be a part of the community. It's been invaluable as I've learned how to grow my online business and develop my own online products. Recently, I've been taking his product launch mentorship course, which has been super helpful in giving me a really good idea and base for an online course that I've been working on. And it's also helped me in the marketing phases as well as I'm trying to promote my online course. I highly recommend it to anybody that's working on your online business who might be needing some marketing or sales support, or even just how to set up your products in general.
I have been Jason's client for about 4 years, just figured that out. He has been so helpful to me as I was growing a business, then I sold the business, then pivoted. Jason has been there for me this whole time. I could not be more grateful. And really, I so value Jason's generosity and his availability through the Q&A sessions and his coaching. He's there.
Hey, my name is Brian Hardy. My wife and I have been running a digital business for about 6 years now. And through the course of those 6 years, we've jumped from many different mastermind groups. But the one thing that I was really looking for now in the stage of my business was I want to be able to talk to somebody with someone of Jason's expertise one-on-one to get like a clear 30-day plan. Because as you start moving on with your business, you kind of know what to do, but you really need that like coach to kind of walk you through the process and tell you, okay, go do this now. This is how much I believe in this program. Is I've already reached out to a buddy after only a month of personally being in it, and he's joined now. And I think that's the best recommendation you could possibly give a program, is by inviting your friends to join it too. After our first meeting with Jason, we laid out a really good 30-day map of what we need to do before our next call with him. Something you're not going to get in any other program. I've been in these for a very long time, and you don't get that one-on-one attention like you would with this program, and that's what I needed. Yeah, I can't recommend the program enough. I guarantee you're not going to be disappointed. You're going to love the community, and being able to work with Jason one-on-one is almost priceless, and it's an amazing program.
Couldn't be happier. Couldn't recommend it more. And I'm really, really very appreciative. And thanks again, Jason, and everybody else who's in the community.
So if you want to grow your business, if you want to get ahead, my advice to you is get the help and advice from Jason, because you are not going to regret it.